Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me show you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way. With the usage of the secret code, we have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here in this general list of the settings, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And here let's tap on the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Right now, of course, they are hidden, but simply tap on the option, for example, the IMEI for the first SIM slot, and you will receive the information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.